Welcome back, people. Right, we're blasting through these today. These will be spaced over a couple of weeks, but for me, I'm trying to get them all done in one day. I've got a lot going on in life, so I'm trying to make some videos ready for you. We're doing these videos basically because I've had a lot of comments. Let me straighten you up a little bit. I've had a lot of comments off people. Thank you very much, I appreciate them. I've had a lot of comments asking for updates on a lot of the tools that I reviewed, just to see how they're doing, if I still got them, are they still any good, and how they're faring. So today's is going to be the Dewalt, I gotta get the number again, Dch273 SDS hammer drill. So I purchased this in January 2023. It's now April 2025, so that's over 2 years. I still have it, it's still going, and it's still bloody epic. I gotta be honest. Yeah, what can I say? You all know I love my Dewalts. Dewalt, get in contact. Let's do some tool reviews off you, man. Anyway. Right, yeah, I hope this mic is working well, because it seems all okay. I'm loving this DJI Action 4 with the mic mini setup. Look at me, all posh. Right, I don't know where I'm going now. Right, so yeah, let's start off with it as I bought a bay, just the drill itself, and it came with a cardboard box, and that was it. So what do I think of the drill? It drills everything that I have thrown at it. I've used this in, again, fine weather, rain, snow. I've dropped it, and to be honest, nobody's paying me to say any of this in the reviews. First and foremost, get that straight. Because I have had a couple of comments of, oh yeah, but you know, you must be sponsored, or you must be getting money. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm affiliated to Kiwis, and that's it. I've made no money from them at the moment. Nobody's paying me to say anything in the reviews. It's all my own personal opinions. So anyway, that over. This has done everything I've thrown at it. I've never hit an issue. I've never had any problems. It's never needed servicing. It just goes and goes and goes. It's out of warranty now. 2 years, yeah. It's out of manufacturer's warranty, but there is an extended third year that I took out. It was like a free thing with Dewalt. I've drilled up to, it's not rated, but I'm gonna say I've drilled up to, I think the largest was 25 mil in masonry. Steel, I think, was around 18. That was just on drill, not hammer, obviously. Yeah, wood, Christ, I've gone up to 3-inch with a hole saw bits, and predominantly masonry drilling. Fantastic, plenty of power. Lots of guts. Keeps going as well. With the batteries, I use Dewalt platform batteries. I have got some compatible batteries as well. But it just goes forever. It is the brushless version. And it has got the body shock, if you can see that. Which you would see, if you go back to the original review, you can see what I first thought of the drill new. Can't fault it. Even on hammer, just SDS, just chiseling, yeah, it's not going to be like the Erbauer 5 kilo brake that I got. It's not going to be that heavy and that powerful, but this little thing, if you're drilling and you need to chip off a little bit, if you're doing a fence post and you need to break that little post up in the ground, does it? I got a set of chisels here I use with it. As I said, yeah, I can't fault it. I'm going to give it 9 out of 10. The saw, the brushed saw, that was previous video, I'm going to give that a 9.5 because that's still going. This is still going 2 years down the line. Let me get my screen back. There we go. This is still going 2 years down the line. And again, I don't treat my tools softly. They're tools, so you use them. You don't necessarily abuse them, but you use them for the intended purpose. And this still goes. Let me grab a battery. Now I know it's a compatible battery. It's not a Dewalt. It's a copy. I do apologize, Dewalt. Dewalt will say you shouldn't use them in our power tools, but they work. This is the real world. We have to go with what our pocket will tell us. Even the light still goes. It's not fantastic, but when you're in the dark under a stairs trying to drill a fix in, that becomes the sun. So yeah, it's hammer drill and hammer only. What more do you want? No frills. Does the job, and it's not too heavy. You use that for half a day, most of the day. You're still going to be okay at the end. So yeah, not going to waffle. The Dewalt brushless Dch273 SDS. Updated review. If you're in the market for an SDS and you've got the Dewalt platform batteries already, that's your boy. Stay tuned for more videos. We got a couple of more reviews, updates to do. I hope you're finding these videos useful. Please click like or the subscribe button, whatever turns you on. I hope they're helping you decide before you buy your tools and invest your hard-earned money. That's what I do before I buy tools, is I go on YouTube and I look at the reviews. Now I'm part of the review system and I hope they're helping you. If they are, comment below. Thank you very much. Stay tuned, more to come.